Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a big airdrop project which is called Startale. So they are basically building Web3 infrastructure to bring real world users, apps and payments fully on chain. And this project is built on the Sony blockchain. And at the time of making this video, they have 73k followers here. And the most exciting part is if you check their funding, then you'll see they have already raised a huge $70 million, which is a really big amount. And if you check their investors, then you will see Samsung, Sony, giant companies backing them. So I think you should not miss this project. And also if you check their X profile, then you will notice they are active and continuously updating about their project. So this is another positive sign. I'll show you how you can participate in their airdrop, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel, where I share all the latest crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this site link. So after landing here, you need to sign up. For that, click here, connect a wallet. And you can choose any of these following wallets. So I'll select MetaMask here. Then click on connect. And after that, confirm the request. And then you will land on this main dashboard. At the top, you will see a GM button. When you click it for the first time, you need to check in 10 times. After completing 10 check-ins, you will earn 1 star point, which will later convert into tokens. Don't take this lightly just because it gives only 1 point. You can earn more in other ways. You can stick with the free method. And also if you want, you can invest. Most of our users will find airdrops that are free. So if you want to work on free methods, then click here, join the carnival. Then here you will find mini apps, so you can play them and earn stars. So how does it work? First you need to pick an app, then you need to complete the quests, and then you can earn rewards. And this is the free method. To participate, click here, open the map, then select any of these apps. For example, let's select this one. Then read the instructions properly and open the app. Sometimes some apps may not open, so you can try again or choose different apps. Also, there are other apps here you can try. Use each to earn as many stars as you can. Next, if you want to invest, then go to the earn section. Then select earn star points. And here you can add liquidity if you want to earn stars. But remember, you need to hold for a month, then you'll start receiving points. Before that, you won't see any. So if you add $100, then you will receive 1 star daily. Here you will see hold periods and your boost points. So if you hold for 30-59 days, then you get 1x, and for 60-89 days 1.2x. Just like that, if you hold for 180 plus days, then you will get 2x points. Also, another free star earning opportunity is the invite friends option. So click here on invite, then you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends to earn some extra points. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.